hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the very first, I think, Alpha H product review on my channel. They have sent over a couple of care packages over the year, and I am finally reviewing their newest launch. Toby is sleeping already. So if you hear a little doggy snore, that is what you are hearing. It is Toby. Today we're reviewing the Golden Haze face oil with omega fatty acids. And the unit is beautiful and it looks like this. I've got to say, I love anything with the word golden in it. I feel like I'm a Leo, so I'm supposed to. But anyway, I am not getting paid to share my thoughts with you all today. If you're new here, my name is Nadia and I am a licensed esthetician who loves to test and review skincare products. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified whenever there is a brand new upload. H describes this as a blend of nine botanical oils designed to plump, soothe, and nourish your skin. This oil also helps to hydrate, strengthen your protective barrier, and diffuse the signs of aging. You can find the Alpha H Golden Haze oil at alphah.com, Nordstrom's, and Sephora does carry a number of Alpha H products. Unfortunately, this is not one of them. This oil does retail for $45 and you do receive less than 1 fluid ounce here. You get 0.85 fluid ounces. Alpha H suggests that you use 3 to 4 drops of this daily, applying them to the face, neck, and décolleté. This may be used in the morning or in your evening routine after you have applied your serums and your moisturizer. For a dewy, luminous finish, you may also mix this in with your favorite foundation. I imagine this tip works very well for very dry skin types. In the demo, you do not see me applying this to my neck or décolleté just because I have self tanner on and I am wearing the Lady Gaga foundation, the House Laboratories foundation, and that is my summer shade. This oil is rich in anti-aging, hydrating antioxidants that plump, soothe, and nourish your skin. It contains 9 botanical oils, but we are discussing for today. We have squalane, a lightweight antioxidant that helps prevent moisture loss, strengthens your skin barrier, and keeps skin nice and supple, which I love. We also see rosehip oil, a highly moisturizing oil that soothes, strengthens, and is also rich in vitamin C and E. My normal skin thoroughly enjoys anything with rosehip oil, I think. And we also see jojoba seed oil here. This is an antioxidant, an anti-inflammatory oil that strengthens your skin's protective barrier, as it also contributes to a very healthy microbiome. We also see sea buckthorn berry oil, which is rich in linoleic and oleic fatty acids. And this oil also helps to strengthen your barrier as it controls sebum production. I did not write down the very first impressions I had of this product. I feel like I've done that with the last couple of reviews I've done here on my channel. I used to keep really detailed product review notes before, and now I just feel like I haven't been doing that recently. But I find that the less I write, the better. let me know. So on October 5th, I noted that I had used the oil in multiple ways already, mostly as a topper or as a finishing product. I noted that it worked very, very nicely, and I did not notice any additional congestion, no breakouts or pilling, despite using like 3 or 4 different products underneath this particular oil. I had recently gotten a chemical peel around this time as well, so I guess I took these notes after my skin had gotten back to normal. After I'd nursed it back to health. So I used it as a standalone product the night before, I'm assuming October 4th, and it didn't bother my skin at all overnight. Didn't feel heavy at all. My skin woke up feeling nourished and balanced. On October 10th, I noted that I loved the oil as the very final step in my hydrating routine. I noted that it worked very, very well over the FARMACY 10% niacinamide mask. If you are new here, I will link my review to that product up above in case you would like to know a little bit more about it. I also used this oil over the Hydra Kate, a product I will soon be reviewing here on my channel, so do make sure you stay tuned for that in case you are looking for a hydrating serum. I did not experience any pilling or like a heavy kind of mess over my skin. On 10/25, I noted that I haven't been able to put this oil down. I have used this nightly over alpha hydroxy or a chemical exfoliant, over hydrating, and retinol nights, just not tretinoin. I find this oil to be lovely. It's lightweight, it doesn't feel heavy, and it's slightly lighter than the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 oil. It has not further congested or broken out my skin. I feel like my oil levels have just kind of decreased over time. I'm still kind of hormonally breaking out, and you can tell I've been picking at my skin anxiously, which I should really, really just stop. I really need to get that under control. I just feel like that's something I do, especially when I'm anxious. So I'm meditating every day and I'm watching the news less and less every day, but I'm still anxious. I have no idea why. I have used a number of oils throughout the years, and the one I've recently reviewed here on my channel is the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16. I will link her up above as well. While I think that the Summer Fridays oil absorbs onto the skin much faster than this is like literally right behind it. I did try a couple of the oils on my hand here, and the one to kind of absorb the slowest was, I think, the Drunk Elephant Ma Retinol oil, which I will also link for you up above in case you're looking for an oil with retinol. However, if you need a nourishing, barrier strengthening, anti-aging oil, I feel like the Alpha H oil, this one right over here, is a better bet. If you need soothing, healing, strengthening, repairing oil, the Summer Fridays is the better bet there, but do keep in mind that you get a little bit more product with the Summer Fridays oil, but that is also the tiniest bit thicker as far as like its consistency. I think I can get away with using this throughout the rest of the winter fall months, but I do think that I'll be using the Alpha H oil the most just because it's the one I've been testing recently. And I did actually receive a care package by Colleen Rothschild, and she also sent over an oil, so I may review that next. But this has just been a dream to test. From using this oil, I have noticed more balanced, nourished skin. Temperatures are decreasing, so I imagine that I'll be putting my skin under some environmental stress, the heater. So once I turn on you know, the heater in the car, my skin is just zapped of its moisture. So we all know that equals dehydrated skin. So I have also noticed that I have recently reintroduced tretinoin and kind of Sunday resets on my skin. And when I use this, I feel like I've experienced less flaking. And I still use my over-the-counter retinols, such as my pharmacy retinol, and last night I used the Youth to the People retinol and niacinamide serum. And I've noticed less flaking, less irritation. Could be from this oil as well. And I've been doing just kind of like that skin cycling type of routine. This works beautifully over alpha hydroxy acids, hydrating skincare routines, and retinols, over-the-counter retinols. I did not use this during the day. The only times I've used a oil during the day was when I did the Drunk Elephant Retinol oil, and also when my barrier became terribly impaired when I used the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 oil during the day. But technically, I mean, unless my barrier becomes impaired again, I don't see myself using this during the day. However, if you have very dry skin, I think that you may enjoy this during the day as well, perhaps mixing it in with your foundation. This worked beautifully over different moisturizers and overnight masks. My favorite way to use this was by removing makeup with the Alpha H cleansing balm, using my 6 Golden Botanical cleanser, and then using my LMS Superfood mist. I have been obsessed with this. It's like almost empty, but this has been a favorite of mine for like the late summer, fall months. And then using the Alpha H Liquid Gold Midnight Reboot Serum. Then I'll go in with the Pharmacy 10% niacinamide overnight mask, and then I'll use about 4 drops of this on the face. I also, again, I didn't apply it during the demo here on my neck and deck, but I have been enjoying this as a neck and décolleté product. It just feels so light and not bothersome at all. Like it didn't like stick to my clothes at all. Loved it. So as I continue to get older, I'm definitely paying more attention to these areas, which you should too. So I would actually recommend this oil to all skin types looking to nourish, strengthen, and combat the signs of aging. This did not further congest my skin at all. So I think that even oily skin prone to dehydration would enjoy this oil, as it's not heavy at all. My pros here, I absolutely adore the packaging. It's very simple as with the rest of the Alpha H range. There's like, you know, it's a clear bottle, but it's just really nice to kind of be able to see the lovely golden color of the oil. I like the price point and the fact that it's $10 less than the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 oil. I loved that it just kind of nourished my skin, and it worked very well with other ranges that are not Alpha H. My cons here are, although I did not detect a scent here, this does contain 3 like kind of fragrant, potentially sensitizing ingredients such as, I think it's limonene and linalool. So if you are sensitive to those, I would suggest that you stay away. I am deducting a 0.5 point for the fragrant, potentially sensitizing ingredients here, but otherwise I absolutely adored and loved this oil. So I always look forward to using it nightly. So I am rating this a 9.5 out of 10. So let me know if you have used this product by Alpha H in the comments down below. What were your results? What is your skin type? I feel like that really helps the rest of the community here, as I have normal skin and I suffer from the occasional hormonal breakout here. So let's discuss. Let me know if you love this just as much as I do. Also, if you've used any other Alpha H products, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, for spending some time with me today. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Why is the camera flipped again? Can this flip, please? Go back to your other... There we go. Thank you. Thank you. This is the latest I have ever filmed. No. I was gonna say something here. My laundry is done. On